Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you people how you people can make money with Quora. Quora is like Facebook. I can say it's a social media platform that you can go and make research. You can go and find for anything that you want because so many people also used to go there to share their links, affiliate links, and ask questions. You can answer questions. So let's go to Quora here. When you come to Quora, like this one, people, this guy said, "How do you say sorry? I don't speak Italian in Italian." So you will just come and answer. So if you also want to get money by just answering question and receiving question, I can say, people reviewing your question, you will just be uploading questions and uploading things that people will be interested, but you have to ask for money before they will start seeing what you have posted. Those who are subscribed to the Canva Premium, those people can see it when they get into your account, and they can start making you can start making some change. The minimum amount of quota is 10 euro. Yeah, 10 euro going up to 1,000 euro minimum. So I'm gonna show you here that I don't monetize my contents because I'm not interested in that one. But I try like 2 3 contents that I have put into monetization, but still now I don't even look after it. So what we're gonna do is, like, if you wanna get to monetization in Quora, it's very easy. What you're gonna do is, like, just came to your profile. When you came to your profile, here you will see monetization. But came to settings. When you came to settings, here is everything that you're gonna see. You are seeing my email, everything. Okay, so when you came to settings, you will see here at the bottom here says monetization, earning and monetization. So here is the page that I monetize. It says here space you are earning from. So if you want to open another space where you will start earning money from, is you will just go to setup. When you go to setup and go to monetization overview, when you go to monetization overview, here is everything. Get paid for perspective you bring, enable revenue sharing, or accept pay subscription to your content in minutes. So here you see here everything is legit, and you can make money by just uploading only things that you think, and things that you think that will be important for people to review, and then you can start making some change about it. Although it will not make you rich, but it can give you something that will help you. So when you press that, like me, I have already monetized. So when you came here, you have to go to start, and start. Then you go with your settings, and sorry, okay, you go with your settings, and then start uploading. When you start uploading, you will see the changes instantly because people will start reviewing, and you start making some change. So this is how you people can make money by Quora. When I came here, I'm gonna just press like this and then paste it. Wait for it to load, and here it is. So what you're gonna do is, like, I'm gonna press OK. Then here says monetization or for free. So I am selling it. Instead of selling it, I'm not gonna put in a monetization because it is something that will give me another revenue. So I'm gonna do it for free.